Hey, how's it going? So this is a review of the ChomChom pet hair remover. I just got this in, haven't been able to use it just yet, but I have seen the reviews on it and it looked amazing. So I do have a small little French bulldog, does shed a little bit, not like crazy. So I actually have this rug right here, which I want to go ahead and test it on and see how it comes out. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So I only did a little tiny section of that rug there, but let's see if we actually found anything, right? So you have a back button right here. You can press, that'll pop it open. Oh man, I don't know if you can see that, but just off that tiny little section, okay? Oh, this thing is filthy. We literally just did about maybe a foot worth of the rug. I mean, you got kids' hair, you got pet hair, you got crumbs, got a little bit of everything here. But I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I'm going to do maybe a couple more feet of that rug and actually show you what it looks like. All right, I am back. So I just finished up the rug now. I haven't opened this yet because I wanted to be a surprise for all of us. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is crazy. Absolutely insane how well this thing actually works. Look at this. Oh man. So I mean, this is great not only for the rug. We also have a fabric couch, which I'll probably use on that later on today, and then also our bed. You know, if you're someone whose pet sleeps in your bed, maybe a good idea to use something like this or this, you know. So I definitely recommend this one. This one is definitely great.
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Muller and I'm the CEO of ChomChom Roller. First off, I want to thank you all for supporting our product. It's just been a real big hit for Amazon. We have tons of awesome reviews. People love the product. We also get some other kind of feedback. Sometimes we'll get something negative. And so I wanted to address knows how to properly use the ChomChom roller, because typically speaking, when we get a negative review, I'll call the customer up and I'll find out what they're doing or how they're using the product. And I find out they're actually using it improperly. And so I'll walk them through the process and then they love it. So when you get the product, it's gonna come in a package like this. So you're gonna take it out of the package to start out with. And then you have a device here that has a roller on it, and it only goes halfway. It doesn't roll all the way around. So a lot of times people might think that it's supposed to roll all the way around, but it doesn't. Because what happens is when you go like this and that, it creates a static electricity, and then what happens is it puts the hair into this compartment here, and this is where you clean it all out and everything. So now let me show you the ChomChom roller in action. All right, so let's go to a typical couch where a dog or a cat likes to lay. And when people get the ChomChom roller, a lot of times I find what they're doing is they're not using it aggressively enough, or real slow like this. In some situations, it's not gonna work that well. And so that's not what you wanna do. The proper way of using the ChomChom roller is to go back and forth, just like this. You see how loud that is? And that's, once you're done, open the garbage.